ሰላም ከመይ ትኾኑ? Well, it is breaking news. ሰብሜት ኢልካ ዜና ዘይወሃብ ይኸውን ኮይኑ ግን እንታይ ገበር anyway ናይ ሓማስ president actual leaders ብብዙሕ ይድለ ነይሩ according to ኩሉ CNN and then news of ካብ ኢራን ሎማዓንቲ ኣብ ገዝኡ ወይ ከዓ መደቀሲኡ ብናይ ነፈርቲ ተቐቲሉ ሕጂ እንታይ እቲ ብንጹር ናይ እስራኤል ከም ዝገበሮ እዩ ዝሕብር ኣሕዋት ግን ናብቲ ሶርስ ክንከይድ እሞ ምስኡ እውን ከም ዝነበሩ ሰባት ከም ዘለዉ እውን እዩ ናብ ኢራን ናይ ሴሬሞኒ ናይ ፕሬዚደንት ነይርዎም ኢራን ቅድሚት ሓደ መይቱ ኣብ ዝሓለፈ ዝክርዎ ኢኹም ኣብ ዝሓለፈ መይቲ ነይሩ ምሽ ሕጂ እቲ ሓድሽ ፕሬዚደንት ተመሪፁ ንሱ ሎማዓንቲ ሴሬሞኒ ይገብር ነይሩ ኣብቲ ናይ ሴሬሞኒ ናቱ ሶሉስ ማለት እዩ ኣብኡ ተፀምቢሩ ውዒሉ ሕጂ ኣጋጣሚ ኮይኑ ተቐቲሉ ማለት እዩ ብእስራኤል ተቐቲሉ ዝብል ዘሎ ኣብቲ ዜና ንሪኦ ዘለና ግን እዚ ጉዳይ እዚ ልክዕ ኣብቲ ናይ ሲኤንኤን ላይቭ ክንርኢ ኢና ብሓፈሻ ናበይ ክመርሓና ክልተ ወይሲ ወይ ናብ ዝገደደ ክመርሓና እዩ ወይ ከዓ ሜቢ ኣይ ዶንት ኖ ሜቢ ከዓ የቋርፅ ዶ ትዋር እዚ ኢና ክንዕዘብ ግን ብሕፅር ዝበለት እታ ዜና ዘላ ሕጂ እንታይ እያ ናይ እስማኤል ሃኒን ናይ ሓማስ ሊደርስ ተቐቲሉ ከም ዘሎ ብኣየር ነፋሪት ገይራ ብፍኒሽ ስራ እትያ ከም ዝቐተለቱ ናብቲ መደቀሲኡ ቁፅሮም ዘይተፈልጡ ናብኡ ከም ዝመቱ እዩ ዝነግር ናቱ ወታደራት ወይ ከዓ ናቱ ካቢኔት ክኾኑ ይኽእሉ ስለዚ ንርኣዮ ግን እዚ መፅናዕቲ ብዙሕ ዘድልዩ እቲ ግብረ መልሲ እንታይ ክመስል ዝኽእል ያ ናይ ሚድል ኢስት እዚዩ ብጣዕሚ ኣሰካፊ እዩ ዘሎ let's go to news let's see what happened.
Breaking news here on CNN, a major development in the Middle East. Hamas says the political leader of the organization, the U.S. calls a terror group, has been killed in Tehran. So far, the Israeli military is not saying that, it's only saying that they do not respond to reports in the foreign media. The White House says it is aware.
Well, still Israel መልሲ ግብረ መልሲ ይገበሩን ኣትብ ዘላ according ኣነ እውን ኣይሰማዕኩም ዘለኹ still I don't know እስራኤል ግብረ መልሲ ገይሮም ድማ ይገበሩ ማለት ቀቲልና ንሕና ኢና ታርጌት እቲና ኢና ኣይበሉን ዘለዉ ግን still ከም ተቐትለ እዩ እቲ ሓበሬታ ዘሎ የእስኻ ቴሮሪስት ወይ ከዓ መራሒ ናይ ቴሮሪስት ግሩፕ ኢሉ ዝሰምዮ ወቃ wanted ዝነበረ ሰብ እዩ ማለት እዩ this what happened
aware of the reports and is monitoring the situation. This comes as Israel and Hamas were locked in tense negotiations to free dozens of hostages still held in Gaza by Hamas. Let's get right to Ben Wiedemann, who is in Beirut. The IDF just had a retaliatory strike where you are. What are you hearing, Ben?
Well, this news is just spreading around and it's fairly early in the morning here in Beirut, so I haven't seen specific reaction yet, but this certainly isn't going to help calm things in the
so እቲ ፍጻሜ ኣብ ቶርያን ኣብቲ ርእሲ ከተማ ናይ ኢራን እዩ ኣጋጢሙ ከምኡ ዝበልና ነቲ ፕሬዚደንት ነቲ ሓድሽ ፕሬዚደንት ናቱ ናይ ሴሬሞኒ ነይርዎ ላይክ ዕላዊ ናብ ቤት ፅሕፈት ንምእታው ናብኡ ንክፅምብል ምስ ከደ እዩ እዚ ጉዳይ እዚ ኣጋጢምዎ ዘሎ ሶ ብጣዕሚ እቲ ኣሰራርሓ I have no idea how the hell ተካይዳ maybe መንን ኢድ ነይርዎ እንዶ ባዕሊ እሰ ኢድ ነይርዋ ዶ ካልእ ነይርዎ ዝብል ሕቶ so far ብእስራኤል ከም ተካየደ እዮም ዝሕብሩ ዘለዉ ማለት እዩ so very tight
I'm sure that many people are probably going to come to the conclusion that Israel has decided that there's no hope in negotiations to release the hostages in Gaza.
Well, it is ዝዛረብ ዘሎ ኣብቲ negotiation ናይ ኣብ ጋዛ ዘለዉ እስራኤላውያን ናቱ ናይ ምስዳድን ካልእን ነበረ እዩ እሱ just developed ፀንሐን ዝነበረ ካብ ኦክቶበር 7 ከም ዝፈልጥዎ ማለት እዩ
and so it's going after the negotiator Ismail Haniyeh, who was the political leader of Hamas, not the military leader of Hamas, was heavily
military leader ናይ Hamas እዩ okay there is ክልተ leader ዘሎ መስለን internal and external ተባሂሎም ፍለይ
engaged in these negotiations, obviously not directly with the Americans or the Israelis, but through the Qataris and the Egyptians and others. He was the man who was sort of stating Hamas's position So it seems that Israel has simply given up on those negotiations and is going ahead and eliminating the leaders of Hamas when the opportunity arises. And I think as other people who you've been speaking to this morning or this evening, where you
you know that ደቁ ስድራ ቤቱ እውን ከም ተደብደቡ ኣብ ጋዛ ዳርጋ አይደን ክንደይ ቆልዖም ይቶም መንበር ኣብቲ ጋዛ ኣብቲ ሓለፈ ዝነበረ ኣብ ጋዛ ኣብኡ ብምሎም ስድራ ቤቱ እውን ከም ተደብደቡ እዩ ሓለፈ ኒውስ ከም ነይሩ እዩ ሶ ንሱ ካብ ጋዛ ወፂኡ ኣብ ካልእ ቦታ እዩ ዝነብር ነይሩ somehow ኣብ ኢራን ሄጂ ተረኺቡ ማለት እዩ
you are have made it clear that this really underscores that Israel has the ability and the intelligence to target its enemies wherever they might be. For instance, yesterday evening at just before 8 p.m. local time here in Beirut, the Israelis had the intelligence to locate and kill Fuad Shukr, who's one of the senior military commanders of Hezbollah, despite the fact that Hezbollah tries to maintain fairly tight security. And for the Israelis to be able to strike the political head of Hamas in the Iranian capital. And of course, we heard Barak Ravid saying earlier that it was as a result.
Kala update tali nakhri that Hamas political leader Ismail being killed uzi بحاصيرو ኣብቲ ዝቕመጠሉ ማለት ተዕሪፉሉ ዝነበረ ሆቴል ከም ተቐተለ እዩ ዝሕብር like there is something you know ኣብ ዝሓለፈ back and forth እውን ነይሩ ከባቢ 12 ቆልዑ ኣብ ሓደ ሜድያ መጻወቲ ናይ ኩዕሶ ከም ተቐተሉ ኣብ ናይ እስራኤል ከምኡ እስራኤል እውን ቀዲማ እውን መጥቃዕቲ ከም ዝገበረት was bad ባሕፂሩ ካብቲ ናብቲን was the worst እዩ ዘሎ so እንታይ እዩ እቲ ህዚ ማለት ካብ ህጂ እቲ ቀንዲት መሰረት what could happen እንታይ ክኸውን ዝኽእል ህጂ ማዕረግ እንደዚህ ክኸውን መራሒ እንድሕር ኣቢሉ እንታይ ዝብላ ዘለዋ ኩለን ህጂ was like in the middle east could be the worst በቃ ካብቲ ዝነበረ ንላዕሊ ክኸውን ይኽእል እዩ maybe ክገድድ ይኽእል እዩ let me share this picture for you guys if it doesn't show that yeah could be sign of yeah you're right Robert sign of ሳልሳይ ኩናት ዓለም ዝብፅበፅ ዘሎ ራሻ በቲ ሓደ ብዙሕ ነገራት ትገብር ዘላ ንኣሜሪካ ብዙሓት ፍክረላ ዘላ ምክንያቱ ኣብ ኣሜሪካ ኣብ ጀርመን ናይ ፅዋር ናይ ሚሊታሪ ክገብር ኢላ ኣብ 2026 መደብ ኣለዋ ናብ ወገፅ ክንድሕር ከይድኪ መዓት እዩ ዘሎ you right Robert this could be something I don't know end of the world ማለት እዩ very bad let me see share this for you guys it's ማለት እዚ ጠጠው ይብሉ ዶ ህጂ okay where was the other one I think so yeah I think so I'm right search ክገብሮ ፈቲነ ክሪኣ ነቲ ትመጥቃዕቲ ወላ ሓንቲ ክረክብ ኣይከኣልኩን ኣይገርመኩም I don't know if there is anybody search ገርኩም እንድሕረኺብኩም just send me to share that let me see ትመጥቃዕቲ እንታይ ይመስል ብፍንስትራ እዩ ኣትዩ ትመጥቃዕቲ ሃሪሞ ብፍንስትራ this is like how they are technically smart ማለት እዩ think so this is one of them this military released a video showing that explosion and also what is said that where is no it's not the right one seconds after the Israeli military said it's killed a Hezbollah leader not this one the hell is it yeah I cannot find anything مستانا ኢሎም ማዓንቲ መጥቃዕቲ ዝተኣሳሰር ወላ ብሲኤንኤን ኩሉ ክሪኦ ፈቲነ nothing ብኸመይኣተ መጥቃዕቲ በቃ ብፍንስትራ ከም ዝሃረሙ ብፍንስትራ ኣትዮም መጥቃዕቲ ከም ዝገበሩ እያ ትሕብረካ እታ ናይ ሲኤንኤን ምስ ካልእ ንእሽተ ቪድዮ ክንደይ ሰባት መይቶም እውን ብንጹር ኣይ ሶሮስ ኣይረኸብኩን ኣነ ምስኡ ከም ዝሞቱ ከም ዘለዉ እዩ ዝሕብር ሲኤንኤን all right Let me see this source a little bit inside the lower, maybe. Yeah, I know, Samara. It's gonna be really, really hard. It's really, really, really bad. Yeah, it's gonna be bad. Yeah. Let me see. I think so. This one. Is that 11 minutes?
A major development in the Middle East. Hamas says the political leader of the organization, the U.S. calls a terror group, has been killed in Tehran. So far, the Israeli military is only saying they do not respond to reports in the foreign media. The White House says it is aware of the reports and is monitoring it. This comes as Israel
like, look this what the White House monitor ገብሮ ከም ዝነበሩ to report. I don't know, is this like, can we say, is it involvement ናይ US ነይርዎ? Can we say this? ምክንያቱ how the hell is monitor ገብሮ ነይሮም ማለት እዩ?
and Hamas were locked in tense negotiations to free dozens of hostages still held in Gaza by Hamas. Let's go to CNN's Paula Hancock's live in Abu Dhabi. Paula, what more do you know?
Well, Laura, this is a very significant development. Ismail Haniyeh, the political leader of Hamas, killed in Tehran. This, according
Tehran ማለት እታ ርእሲ ከተማ ናይ ኢራቅ like
to the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. It's been confirmed as well by a Hamas statement saying that he was killed in a residence in the Iranian capital as he was in town for the inauguration of the new Iranian leader. Now, we know that
inauguration ማለት ከምዚ ነቲ ፕሬዚደንት ኦፊሻሊ ፕሬዚደንት ምዃን ናይ ኢራን ማለት ናብኡ ኸይዱ ገሺ ቅድሚ ሕጂ ንኸይድ ነይሩ ባይ ዘ ወይ ሶ እዚኣ ከዓ ድሕሪ እዚ ናይ ተኣሽሚያ ኦኬ ድሕሪ ዞም 12 ቆልዑ ምማቶም that things are the worst ማለት እስራኤል ሲ ማእሰም ገብረ መልሲ ክገብሩ እንታይ እዮም ዝበሃል ነይሩ ሕጂ ከዓ
that inauguration of Iran's new president was on Tuesday. We don't have an exact timing of when this killing took place, but it was the early hours of Wednesday when the news emerged. Now, it is a significant development. We have heard, as you say, that Israel is saying it does not comment on foreign news media reports. Not an unexpected response from the IDF. It is one we have heard before when there have been these reports of high-profile killings in other countries of Hamas or even of Hezbollah leaders. But everyone in the region does believe that Israel is behind this. Israel has made it very clear from October 7th, after that Hamas attack in Israel, that all of Hamas leadership was considered a target, that it would be going after.
ካብ October 7 ጀሚርካ like ተዛሪቦም እዮም he's in target, they want to kill him, of course, yes ኣብ እንድሕራ ውግእ ኣሊኻ ታርጌት ከም ዝነበረ እዩ. So why don't you say then Israel official that if they did
after the political and the military leadership of Hamas. Now, we know with Ismail Haniyeh that his residence in Gaza City was attacked by an Israeli airstrike just 1 month after those October 7th attacks. We also know that several months ago, a number of his children were killed in Gaza as well. So
like ገዝኡ ተደብዲባ and a number of his children's like ቁጥሪ ዘለዎም ቆልዑ ማለት ልዕሊ 2 ልዕሊ 3 ኢና ዘለና ኣብ ጋዛ ከም ተቀተሉ.
Family has also been considered a target. Now, Ismail Haniyeh himself has been out of Gaza for some years now. He has been living largely in Doha, Qatar. He has been free to travel around the region. We know he has been to Tehran a number of times. He has been to Turkey. And so the fact that this has happened in the heart of Iran is very significant. The fact that the assassination was able to take place, that the intelligence was able to be gathered in Tehran itself is certainly something that is going to send a chill through the Hamas organization. Now, it is not the first time that the leadership has been targeted. We know that the military number 2 in Gaza, Mohammed Deif, Israel believes they killed him just recently. Also, back in January, Saleh al-Aruri, who was really considered a deputy political leader of Hamas, was also assassinated in Beirut. So this is not the first time that this has happened, but certainly the fact that it is the political leader of Hamas is a significant target. He has been.
Well, yes, ብዙሓት ዲፕሎማሲ ይኹን ሓለፍቲ ይኹን ኣብ ምቕታል እያ ነይራ ነዚ ምቕታል ግን it's really big. That's overall ክንሪኦ ከለና ሰመራ ክንገብሮ ከለና ነዚ ምቕታል ግን it's very big ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ናበይ ኢኻ ክትመርሐና that's actually the question. Everybody says that ኣብቲ ሜድያ ኩሎም what could happen, what is next, what is this? Yeah,
been very vocal. He has been very visible over recent months, not least when it comes to negotiations for a potential hostage deal to release Israeli hostages from Gaza and a ceasefire deal, which those discussions were ongoing. One can only imagine that this could well stall those, at least in the short term. Laura?
Paula Hancock, please stand by. We have CNN political analyst and foreign policy analyst Barak Ravid on the phone. Barak, what are your sources telling you this is very consequential?
Are you living in Denver and thinking about selling your home? Well, I recently helped a couple of Denver homeowners sell their property for full asking.
Yes, it is very consequential, and just to understand how this assassination happened, according to the Iranian media, there are new details that are being published. Some sort of aircraft fired a missile into Hania's bedroom through the window.
Wow, that's the point. Yeah, سمع عادي. So like ካብ Iranian media ዘውፅኦ ዘሎ ብፊኒስትራ ጌራሲ like من ደብዳቤ ብፊኒስትራ ጌራ ናብታ ቤድሩም እትያትሉ ማለት እዩ. That's bad.
And killed them. You really need to have very good intelligence and very good operational.
Yeah, he's right. That was really the intelligence ናይዚኣቶም I know Israel is great intelligence ከም ዘሎ ኹልና ንፈልጥና. So very በቃ ኣበይ ከም ዘሎ በናሮም ከም ዘሎ በታ ፊኒስትራ ኣትያሲ በቃ ኣታ ዕላማ ከም ዝገበረት ማለት እዩ. Yeah, anyway, that's all. What could come next? Next እንታይ ክመጽእ ዝኽእል እዩ that's the things. So it will be very terrible situation for the country of around the Red Sea and the Middle East. Yes, Samara, you're right. So far, I was kind of searching. Yeah, it's in Iran. Did I say Iraq? Sorry. Yeah, it's in Iran. Did I say Iraq? That's my bad. Okay. Of Iran, yes. This is very bad, especially that round of all the Red Sea. So far, where I was checking that oils and khalis just so far is up. But I'm high grade. نبعلنا oil ناقلن مالتي زي من رجع. Yeah, I know. Edishkor is like it is. Yeah, it is in Iran. Might say that in Iraq. So very bad. But could it become next? تعالوا كملوا. Let's see what happens. صباح زيناتات كرينا. So especially أبز كله إيراتات ركوب حوات. Yeah, God bless you all. Let's pray to our God. زي كمويو روبيل زبالو زي ملكت نايسال ساكونات عالم خوني خالي. Who knows? ምክንያቱ በዚ ብራሻውን ትብፅብፅ ያ ዘላ ክንደይ ሚሳይላት ክንደይ ገለና የተዳሉ ዘላ ራሻን አሜሪካ ማለት እዩ ዋል በቲካ እንድሕር ከምኡ ኮይኑ wow what could happen we don't know let's yeah well Pedros maybe we cannot say it's like we cannot call it stoic ድኹማተን ክንብሎም very hard ምክንያቱ ኩሉ ሻዕ ጸላኢኻ ወላ ሓደ ሰብ ይቃትለካ ዝኽእል ሓደ ሰብ እንድሕር ኮይኑ just ጨካኒ ሓደ ሰብን ጨካኒ So جي كنري زلنا بعد روسيا على China زين كله تقعد هذا يعني مالتي so doesn't matter like up Middle East راح يكون نكري عند حركة أخونا وال أبطال ونكري أنا مالتي روسيا لا China لا نقول زين عبيتي نصير أمريكا كسر زلنا so being said نايت صباح economically said نزي صلوا خمس تحترنا just guys telling this especially oil نحنت فيستو سبعة نبرنا بسمنا نقلن so far day يقول له مالتيو so it's going to be bad it's going to be the worst na Middle East كل شيء شجر كفتري so جيروم باول كتصبح انت خبلين فدرات maybe زي قداي زي na the worst na economically خمس عنا خالي مالتي كم economically العلاقات just بحفشاتنا كم ويو روبيل زبلو زلون تكون تات عالمنا بيك مرحناي so this is the update let's get it أحوات شير ناقبركم من دار أخو مابتي الشركة بكل خصيصا إن قال ملنا تعذبكم update ناقبركم نفسهم كده just what kind of develop special أبرسرع التربرو حزبي could be a big response كما تخيل يا إيران كتوليا عراق كتوليا كلن بعلي بينان كما تسين فلسطين بل بملؤ نجر كل علي خالي مالتي so yeah good night and then let's see that's the update we have thanks so much all right bye bye